lot of welcome back viewers. Now, for the final recipe. Now tell me why this cake can take all sorts of different ingredients.
Well, in this case here, you can make it with whatever vegetable or fruit that you like, right?
Yes.
It's called we make a banana bread, a carrot and an apple and cinnamon. So Graziella today, that's what she's grown in the garden. She's used her own zucchinis from her garden, right, to make a zucchini cake.
And it doesn't matter if they're white or green zucchini, it can be any type?
It doesn't matter, you know.
Right.
So you can see that she grates the carrot,
yes,
right?
Yeah.
The zucchini, sorry, right?
Yeah.
And she came out with this beautiful zucchini cake.
And of course there's olive oil in this, but the one thing about this cake which is terrific, it takes up, I guess, what is synonymous with Sicily, the area that she comes from, because there is cannella, being of course cinnamon, and le noci, which you can have any type, noci being walnuts, or you can have any other type of nut, but she prefers walnuts. And of course Sicily to me is all about the sweets, and it's about the spices and it's about the nuts, isn't it? Or the candied fruit. So this is what she's used, and as I said, it is the thing that makes me think of Sicily, but with a bit of a twist. All right.
Now this is zucchini cake. It's I have 45 years here in Australia. After 6 months, I have a dinner with a friend, and she said make zucchini cake for the red for the mother, I don't know who. Now because I like vegetable cake, I make all the time. Now I show you. Now 1 cup vegetable oil. Then you put 2 cup sugar. It's castita sugar, normal sugar, castita sugar, 2 cup. Put 3 eggs. Now I put it in the mix. I mix it for 5 minutes and then I put the rest. Now mix for 5 minutes and then I put a half a spoon black pepper, 1 little teaspoon bicarbonato soda, then put 1 vanilla essence, then you mix and you put now zucchini. Now this is the skin for the lemon. It's 1 lemon, it's put inside the cake. Then you cut enough and use the juice. Now the juice and the skin, so with my hand, it's ready to put the cake. Now put the flavor. Sulfur rice flour, 2.5 cup sulfur rice flour. Put it very slow. Now put the nuts all together and mix with a little spoon to the side. That's all right. Now to stop the cake and put it in the tire. First it's spraying the oil. Then it's ready, and then put inside. My zucchini is ready. Now it's put in the oven 118 for 35-40 minutes, and then it's ready. This is the cake, it's ready. I put it upside down, I put it in the plate, and this is the cake with the zucchini.
So now that we've taken the cake out of the oven, we take it out of its tray, turn it upside down, let it cool for about 20 minutes to half an hour, but she always seems to make a little bit of extra mixture and we make these lovely muffins out of it. Thanks Nonna for sharing this with us, and I hope you got lots of more special recipes that you can share with us.
I have more. Thank you.
Dominic, that's fantastic. Oh, she is a true gem. I'm just watching her hands. You know, I always say they are the hands of experience, are they not?
Aren't they?
How lucky are you?
I'm very lucky.
Yeah, you're a bit luckier than most, because when you started out here, I guess, did you ever think that your children would come into the business?
I am one of the luckiest ones, because my children have got the same passion that I have. They love what we do. It is hard work, but they're all in here working as hard as I am.
Yeah.
You know?
And I guess, you know, here at the Convent Bakery, of course, you do a lot of fairly elaborate sort of biscotti or cakes and pastries, but of course the thing that you love is actually what we've just seen on the show tonight.
What we grew up with.
Yes,
yes.
yes.
And the beauty here is my kids, right, always tell me whenever we've got a farmer's market, Dad, why don't you make what Nonna biscuits, you know, so we could sell in the farmer's market, you know. And like, I haven't got nothing else to do, you know what I mean?
Of course. Now, what are your children's names?
Well, from my first marriage, my second,
or
the ones that are coming. Which one?
Well, which is the first? Which
the first lot is Dominic, Nathan, and Isabella.
Right.
Yeah.
They're the ones that are working here.
They're working in the business, so I'm fortunate there.
Yes.
And I've got my two little ones, Austin and Ava.
Okay.
Right? They'll look after me when I get old.
Right.
I hope.
And then the ones that are coming, well, we just don't have enough time on this program to discuss that. But it's just been a fabulous show. And of course, Graziella Sortino, of course, these are the recipes that we, as all children of migrants, we love to be able to preserve these. So we've got this on film. Get out there, write down those recipes. She's taken you through it. A bit of oil, a bit of this, and a bit of that. You know, I know it's a bit hard sometimes, but it kind of all comes together, doesn't it?
It is. Yeah. It's not a lot of ingredients either.
No.
It's what you got in your pantry.
Yeah.
Right?
The one thing she did say, the olive oil, Caterina, do not make it olive oil. It's got to be di semi, because it's much lighter. She said, I want you to tell your viewers at home to make sure that you use a light olive oil. So there you go. Dominic, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can I come back and see you soon?
You can.
I need
2 o'clock in the morning would be
2
great.
o'clock in the morning. I need another dose of Dominic, because he is just fantastic. He's been keeping my daughter very well padded with all your wonderful food. All right, alla prossima. I hope to see you all again, and I hope you all love these wonderful recipes that we're bringing right to you today, tonight, and in the future. Thank you, Dominic.
Thank
Ciao.
you.
Alla prossima.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.